Let's spend a moment talking about law, plain language law, and specifically federal plain language law. President Obama signed that October 16th of 2010. And the main requirements of that law are that every federal agency must train every single agency employee in the tools and technology of plain language. You have to ensure and guarantee that the documents you produce as part of that law comply with federal plain language guidelines, and that you create a plain language website. Every single agency must create a plain language website that allows all citizens to actually send emails back to that agency, and the citizens can comment about how well that agency is complying with federal law and provide that agency with examples of things that still need attention. Each agency also has to appoint a senior plain language official, and you're going to have to file a report every year to Congress about what you've done to comply with plain language law. So these are the components of federal plain language law. The federal plain language guidelines I don't have here, but in this course you will find a section on the screen that shows you attachments, and you will have a direct link that will take you to the federal plain language guidelines should you wish to review those. The other link that you will have access to is something called usability, because usability is very important. It tells us what the user's experience actually is. So there are two websites here, one that will give you information about usability, and the other one about plain language documents. So you may use those links to get additional information about these concepts. All right, let's take a moment and please review what we've discussed. How do you learn plain language? You take the plain language course, you supplement that with the plain language toolkit, and then it takes lots of practice and vigilance. It takes a long time to actually grasp these and use these techniques. What do I mean by the plain language toolkit? That is just a helpful bit of reference material that you should be able to go and download from the FAA employee website. If you go to the branding and writing section of that website, you will see a plain language section within that branding and writing part, and there will be a link that will allow you to download the plain language toolkit. The plain language toolkit is a very simple piece of material. It's only got two parts to it. Let's take a quick look. The first page has a series of links and reference materials that will help you find more information about plain language. But the meat of the plain language toolkit is on the other side, and it's only got two primary parts. One part here that says word tools, the kinds of word tools that you use to create plain language, and part number two is the format tools, which means how you take those words and put them on your page and how you space them and align them to make plain language. So the plain language toolkit has a lot of different hints about plain language technologies. These things might not make any sense right now, but as I go through them and give you some examples of things, you will begin to get familiar with them enough so that when you are complete, that when you open up that toolkit at some point in the future, that these hints will make sense to you and will remind you of the important plain language technologies.